morning, welcome back. I know it's been a while. So we're into end of March now, and not done really any videos over the winter period. And the reason for that is, I'm going to be totally honest with you, towards the end of last year I did an enduro up in Scotland, up in northern Scotland, and I didn't really get on very well. It was very wet, it was very rooty, and I had a few crashes, slid out a few times, and it really knocked my confidence. So I have been riding over the winter, but it's been slow. It's been careful, and above all things, there hasn't been any confidence. So I did think it was really worth making a video of going slower than I already do. But anyway, a couple of people messaged me and said, come on, we're waiting for a video. So here it is. We'll see how we get on today. We're going to Pitmeaden, which is my local forest. The weather is changeable. It's a bit rainy with bright spells, shall we say. So the conditions up there should be interesting. Got a couple of nice upgrades to the bike for this year, which I'll show you when we get there. And I guess we'll see how we go. So I'll see you in the trails. Plenty of grip for these new tyres. Ooh. Yes, we'll find it. Come around here. Right then, I'll follow you. As I was saying, wheels, no problems at all, even after putting the cassette on myself. The acceleration on them, it was quick before, but I definitely feel it. down. Back home now, bike's dirty as you could see, but I did say that there was a few upgrades that I wanted to show you. So if you have a look at the bike, the first thing you're going to notice is the wheels. Went for a set of the Santa Cruz reserve wheels, full carbon. Now the problem with that, with this bike, is it comes with a 32 hole hub. So what I had to do was had to speak nicely to Hope, and what they did was they machined a new hub with 28 holes with a unique spacing, 130mm I think it is, to accommodate these rims. So they went on no problem, but then that threw up another issue. I didn't know what tyres to go for, and in the end I spoke to a few friends and they all recommended the WTB Vigilante 2.6 up front and the Judge 2.4 at the back, and first time out on them today, no problems whatsoever. Really good, plenty of grip. So I guess probably what you want to know is how do they sound. But before I show you that, if you have a wee look here, don't know if you can see it, you'll see that Hope even engraved, laser etched the HB logo onto the hubs as well, which was nice. But how do they sound? Pretty good. So when I fitted them, I also put on tie bolts in green, of course, and I did order tie bolts for here, but the ones, obviously there's a longer, so they didn't fit, but I managed to fit them on the front instead. So there's tie. I've got new ones coming for the back, but again, tie bolts up front. The 2.6 tyre was excellent today, no worries at all. I'm not running Cushcore in the front, I'm only running it in the back, and my pressures were about 18 for the front and 21, 22-ish for the back. So, there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions about the bike, let me know. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Thanks very much. Bye. Bye, Owen.